Hey guys, so I just got a text from my friend. She said she's gonna pick me up because we're gonna go out to eat right now. So I just thought I'd pick up the camera, kind of vlog. I just wanted to switch things up a little bit more, but yeah. I'm kind of loving this makeup. I just put bronzer in my eyes, put a little bit of gloss. So we're here eating breakfast / lunch. I don't like saying brunch. That's so weird to me.
Brunch. Why everybody eats it at California, don't they? I just want brunch.
If you're white.
Well, I'm white now.
Whitewashed. Your face. Wait, where are we at?
Lucy's?
Lucy's. I got avocado toast and she got a sandwich. Some chai tea.
Wait, this way. Which way are we going? My forehead's.
Wow, you look shiny.
It's hot as hell. Look at that mural. How cute. Bam. I don't know what to do.
Stop.
What are you supposed to do though? I don't know how to do YouTube.
You can see the reflection in my glasses. Yeah.
I'm
Wait.
so like here at this mirror. I'm like, oh my god.
Yeah. Here's a mural that we found we live right there. And it's like right here. It's so pretty.
I tried this coffee spot. It's kind of weird though. I don't really like it. You can't even.
It looks really cute though.
It looks cute, but like you can't even go inside or anything. Like, it's only outside. And it's freaking hot. We could have like parked and just walked it there and then just walk right up.
Yeah. Can't see. I want to do an apartment tour, but like it would be cool to show the actual like apartment too.
What about your apartment?
Well, like the building.
Oh, you should do it.
That's the pool.
We've been down for like 5 days straight.
5 days straight. I'm running. Oh, okay. Jump. No, see.
Look at this thing.
You have to scan it like twice.
I know, it's so long.
You're like, huh?
Oh. Say hi, Kryssten. How you feel?
Good, hot.
Oh, sweating, huh? You're just a little sweaty, but it's okay.
Like, it's fine. Nothing dripping. It's fine.
Whee!
Like,
I don't know how to do YouTube. I don't know how YouTube works. I just film you. Like this is like your life.
yeah.
This is the life of Kryssten. Does it work or no? What in the world? I guess not. Here, ready? What?
There. Oh my god.
I pressed it. Stupid thing. We hate this.
You're me showing it.
Do you have that too?
Yeah.
You know?
Oh, come on.
Oh, here I'm following you. Following your. Oh. I'm on room 4. I'm floor 4. I pressed all the buttons
What's your
yesterday.
highest score?
8. What's yours?
7.
Haha, fucker.
And one more floor. Wow.
Some people just like go like this all day. Stare right in your face all day, like, wow, your life is so boring. We made it to 4. Let's go. Go left. Oh, go, girl, go. Ooh, strut. Get it.
To the left.
What's this still?
Damn, it's cold. This is her apartment.
Okay, I see 76.
Damn, fucking hot. You're like 66.
I'm not gonna go.
you need to see the live, like what it looks like.
Oh, shut up.
It's not even dirty. Oh, it smells good in here. Like, where were you eating?
No, it's a candle. It's vanilla bean candle.
Oh.
Actually, I feel it's hard for some.
So I'm gonna make dinner right now. I thought I'd show you guys like my go-to meal. I'll wait. Yeah, there's living in the city. So my go-to meal is kind of just like vegetables and like rice, and to make my own like little bowl keeps me really filled throughout the night. And sometimes like I won't even get hungry till like mid-afternoon. Is that a thing? Yeah, like tomorrow. So I'm gonna show you guys how I make that. I feel like I always have the air on just because it's like always so hot in here. But I'm sorry if I'm talking like kind of low. So this is the rice that I use. This is organic quinoa and brown rice. Like, it's a mixture. It's really easy just because I put it in the microwave and then it's done. And that's like my base for the bowl basically. I'm gonna be doing like a veggie bowl. Yeah. I know people are gonna have things to say with like if it's not fresh or something, but honestly it's so much easier to just use like frozen vegetables because I don't go through a lot, or sometimes like I won't go through them like fast enough and then they go bad and that's wasting food. So no, we're not about to do that. So I just use some of them and then I put it back in the freezer. We're gonna use bell peppers and then broccoli. So I don't really have like a steamer, so this is like kind of like my makeshift one. I just put the broccoli in a little bowl and then I put a wet paper towel over it and then put it in the microwave. And it wouldn't be a cooking video if I didn't spill everything everywhere. Broccoli's cooking. I'm just gonna spray some of this avocado oil into a pan. And this is where I'm gonna saute my bell peppers. Steamed broccoli. It's really hot. You can literally, oh my god. Then I'm just gonna add it into our little pan. And when I'm cooking vegetables, I just use like a little bit of garlic salt, so just like tiny. So this is the bowl that I just used the broccoli in, just so I don't have that many dishes to do. So I heated up the rice quinoa mixture, so I'm just gonna put some in here. And then I'm gonna put all the veggies that we made in the pan. So this is the bowl, and of course, hot sauce. So for the rest of the night, if I don't have any homework, then I'll usually just eat my dinner and watch some Netflix. Right now, Gossip Girl.
On the Upper East Side.
Yeah, I'm almost done with it. I wanted to get on that grind of watching it because all my friends have been hassling me to watch it, and I'm super shiny. It's not sweat, I promise. So I'm gonna close out today's video here. So I hope you guys liked the video. Please give it a like, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and I'll see you in my next video.